Although the internet is brimming with numerous macaroni and cheese recipes, I couldn't resist sharing my take on it. This is an old recipe from an old cookbook. This dish is not only budget friendly but also really easy to prepare. I cook a 350 gram packet of macaroni according to the directions on the package. Bring in a pot of salted water to the boil, pouring the macaroni in and boiling briskly uncovered for about 20 minutes until it is tender. Then draining it thoroughly in the colander. Today I used brown rice macaroni noodles. I melt 800 grams of butter over a moderate heat in a wide saucepan. And when the butter starts to foam, I add 5 tablespoons of corn flour and cook, stirring until the mixture froths and foams. You could also use plain flour instead of the corn flour. Then I add 4 cups of milk all at once and stir with a whisk until the sauce thickens to a smooth cream. Then I add 1.5 teaspoons of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and I simmer that over a very low heat for about 2 minutes. I take the pot off the heat. I add the macaroni noodles, 300 grams of chopped ham, 250 grams of sharp cheddar cheese, and 2 tablespoons of grated onion. I stir it all together and I grease a casserole dish with butter, and I spoon the macaroni mixture into the dish. Into a little bowl, I put 3 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, another 60 grams of grated cheddar cheese, and 40 grams of melted butter. I mix it thoroughly and sprinkle this mixture evenly over the top of the macaroni casserole. I place it in a preheated oven of 190 degrees Celsius or 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 40 minutes, or until the cheese and breadcrumb topping is lightly brown, and I spoon it out directly from the casserole. Simply delicious and deliciously simple. Thanks so much for watching. See you again soon.